Hello friends, welcome back. I'm so excited to be creating another layout for the Hip Kit Club. And today I'm going to be using the all exclusive main kit only. Now this is my first layout using the March kit, and this yellow floral patterned paper is the first piece of patterned paper that jumped out at me. So I had the idea to do layered hexagons and cutting my photo in a hexagon also. This is my granddaughter, by the way. And I want to sew these two together with my machine. So I'll be right back with that. There we go. So I just did a simple straight stitch around the edge, and I definitely want to bring in this large title, but it won't fit up there, so I'm going to scooch my hexagon up and over just a little bit, and I think I'm going to place it down here in the bottom right hand corner. So I just want to get my title lined up, and I want them to fill the same space. Like I want the love and the this to be the same length. So I'm going to put this down first, and then I'm going to go and I'm going to go ahead and add my love. And what's going to happen is I'm not going to be able to get that O in there, so I'm going to have to layer the letters just a little bit. But I think I really like the way that it looks. It works very well for this particular application. So I'm going to get this glued down, and I'll be right back. Okay, my title is glued down, and I added some foam to the back of my photo, and I pulled out some cardstock ephemera pieces that I really wanted to add to this page. And I just think all of these particular pieces look really nice together, so I want to figure out how to arrange them in a way that just kind of sits inside of that hexagon. I really wanted the typewriter to be layered on top of the photo just a little bit, so I'm going to pop it up also. And I think that's all of the foam that I'm going to use. Those are the only two things that I'm going to pop up on this layout. So now I'm just going to try to figure out where I want the placement of these other elements, and I don't end up using all of them, although I wanted to, but I just couldn't make them all make sense on this layout. And I want to be sure to use these rub-ons because they're amazing and the quality is so good, but I don't want them covered up. So I'm going to figure out where I want my fussy cut elements first, and that'll help me determine where to put the rub-ons. When I originally filmed the video, I was talking as I was filming in hopes to not have to do a voiceover, but I caught myself rambling on about things that weren't important and didn't matter. And I even rambled off a little bit of incorrect information, so I just decided it was worth it to do a voiceover and not to subject you guys to the other nonsense. Anyway, now I'm cutting these rub-ons out because I don't want to risk losing or accidentally adhering one that I didn't want to on my layout. It's just easier for the placement for me to cut them out so I can figure out where I want them exactly to go. I end up using these two florals and a couple of butterflies from the rub-on pack, and that just kind of helps fill in the floral clusters that were already there on the page, and I love the result. Now you can see I got all of my pieces glued down, including that little banner piece. I did go with this butterfly, but not the other one. I added some fussy cut pieces to fill out that cluster a little bit, and the butterflies and floral rub-ons. And I love the end result. It's so pretty, and it just reeks of spring, right? the products are so beautiful. Kim and Kimberly do a wonderful job designing all of this stuff for us every month, and their designs are exclusive. You're not going to find them anywhere else. So I don't know if you guys have checked it out yet, but I highly recommend that you do. Just give it a shot. You don't have to subscribe to order from Hip Kit Club, but if you do, then you save money each month on your kit. You save money on the add-on kits. You have access to exclusive subscriber cut files. And if you order other kits along with your main kit each month, they ship for free with that main kit. There are so many benefits to becoming a subscriber. We also have 2 challenges every month. One is a mood board challenge, and the other one is a sketch challenge. And if you decide to participate in those challenges, then you could potentially win a $25 gift certificate to the Hip Kit Club shop. And you don't even have to use the Hip Kit Club products to participate. So here I'm just adding some Nuvo drops from a past color kit. This is the only part of this layout that is not included in the March main kit. But it is the final touch to the layout. So that wraps it up. I really appreciate you guys joining me today for my first layout with the exclusive March Hip Kit. And please be sure to like and subscribe to the video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the beautiful inspiration that's coming up from the design team members. Thanks guys. Have a lovely crafty day. Bye-bye.